Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a bubblegum video, but it's from the largest candy store. And yeah, let's get started. And I have a lot of flavors. And yeah, let's get started. And they're all these kind. And the first bubblegum that I have is these original one, and they're called Big leaglle Chew. And it's so good. Okay guys, so this is another one, Big leaglle Chew, and this is the grape flavored. And I have a lot, just so you know, and they're all the same brand. Okay guys, so the third Big leaglle Chew is, this one is called Pink Lemonade, and yeah. Okay guys, so the next flavor that I have of Big leaglle Chew is sour apple, and yeah. Okay guys, so this is the next Big leaglle Chew flavored, and it's called strawberry, and yeah. Okay guys, so there's a few more flavors left, and this flavor is a Big leaglle Chew. It's cotton candy. You see the packaging? Okay guys, so this is, and there's 3 more flavors after this one. And this flavor is a Big leaglle Chew. It is blue raspberry. Do you see it? Blue raspberry. Okay guys, so 2 packets of Big leaglle Chew are coming soon after this one. And this is the next flavor, and it's called tropical flavored. Okay guys, so the next Big leaglle Chew flavor is sour cherry, and there's one more Big leaglle Chew flavor left. And guys, sorry about the noise in the background, so that's not. And this is the last flavor, you guys, and it's called fruit punch. And yeah, so bye guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.